Learn daily use English vocabulary with sentences. Soar. Meaning, to rise or increase quickly to a high level or to fly high in the sky. Prices are soaring this year. The eagle soared above the mountains. Plummet. Meaning, to fall or drop very quickly or to decrease sharply. Prices plummeted during the sale. The temperature plummeted overnight. She slipped and plummeted to the floor. Erupt. Meaning, to suddenly start, often with noise, violence, or activity. The volcano erupted last night. A big fight erupted outside the club. Spark. Meaning, to cause something to begin, like an idea, reaction, or interest. The comment sparked an argument. The movie sparked my interest in history. Quell. Meaning, to stop something, often by force or control, also to calm strong feelings. Police tried to quell the protest. She quelled her fear before speaking. Drench. Meaning, to make someone or something completely wet. The storm drenched us on the way home. He was drenched in sweat after the run. Topple. Meaning, to make something fall, or to take down a government or leader from power, to overthrow. The kids toppled the tower of blocks. The scandal toppled the president. Defy. Meaning, to resist or go against rules or authority. He defied the teacher's orders. Protesters defied the police. Pledge. Meaning, to make a serious promise. The leader pledged to create more jobs. She pledged to help her friend. Slash. Meaning, to cut something with force, or to greatly reduce something, like prices or jobs. He slashed his wrist with a knife. The store slashed prices during the sale. The company slashed hundreds of jobs. Boost. Meaning, to increase or improve something. The ad boosted sales. A nap will boost your energy. Expose. Meaning, to reveal or show something that was hidden, secret, or not known. The news exposed the truth. The journalist exposed the politician's lies. Jolt. Meaning, to shock or surprise suddenly. The news jolted everyone at work. The sudden noise jolted me awake. Seize. Meaning, to take hold of something quickly and forcibly, or to quickly take an opportunity. The police seized the stolen car. He seized the chance to meet his favorite actor. Urge. Meaning, to strongly advise or encourage someone to do something. Police urged people to stay indoors during the storm. She urged me to apply for the job. Blunt. Meaning, not sharp, or speaking in a very direct way. This knife is too blunt to cut. She gave me a blunt reply. Mount. Meaning, to climb, to grow in intensity, or to start something organized. He mounted the horse quickly. Tension is mounting between the two sides. They mounted a protest against the rule. Reap. Meaning, to gain or receive something as a result of effort or actions, like benefits, rewards, or harvest. She reaped the rewards of her hard work. Farmers reap crops in the fall. Halt. Meaning, to stop something suddenly, especially movement or an activity. The bus halted in the middle of the road. Heavy rain halted the game. Lash out. Meaning, to suddenly attack someone physically or criticize them very strongly, often in anger. He lashed out at his friend during the argument. The customer lashed out at the hotel service.